trees near a river. A small sparrow was passing by that way. She asked the first tree, "Dear tree, it is going to rain heavily, so can I make nest on your branches for me and my babies?" The first tree didn't allow the sparrow, and the sparrow flies away. She went to another tree and asked the same question to that tree also. Second tree agreed and allowed the sparrow to make nest on its branches. Another day, it rained heavily, and the first tree broke from its roots and flows down with rains. When the sparrow saw this, she went and said to first tree, "You got punished for rejecting me to build nest and your rude behavior." But the tree smiled and replied softly, "Dear sparrow, I already knew that my roots were weak and were not able to stand out in such heavy rains. I didn't want to risk your and your young ones' lives. Sorry that I didn't allow you to make nest on my branches." Saying this, the tree flows away. Sparrow felt sorry for that tree and for judging it without knowing the truth. Moral of the story is, don't judge a book by its cover. Thanks for watching.